In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood support pistons on this Lexus IS. They're located on each side of your hood. Let's get started. At the top, where this is secured, you'll see a little metal strap around the back. This is just a locking clip, so take a little screwdriver and pry this out. Once you've pried it out of place, just like this, that is now unlocked. So support the hood with one hand and then pull this out with the other. Hold the hood because one side isn't enough to hold the entire weight. Clean this area with a rag to make sure there isn't too much debris on here. A little bit of rust here, unfortunately, is normal and it does form over time, but if this is still in good shape, you're good to go. Now you want to take your new piston and slide it over with the correct side. So this is the rod, the center of it. You wouldn't want the other side with the cartridge. So slide it over until it clicks. And that is now installed on this side, but don't let go yet. We have to remove the bottom. Same way, pry this little clip out, remove the piston, clean the area. Now take your new one and slide it on. You might need to lift up the hood a little bit. There we go. Once that's clicked, you can let go and do the same to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.